So hello guys, welcome back. And guys, this video is going to be very important if you are using Windows. So in this video we are going to create a recovery drive for your Windows, right? And unfortunately someday your system is not booting or it's just a black screen, some startup problems, then this recovery tool comes into picture and this will help you as a god for your operating system, right? So this will fix all the problems related to your black screen problem, system is not booting, all these things you are going to fix using this recovery tool. Okay, so let me show you how you can create this recovery tool. It's a very easy process. Basically you just need to have a minimum 16 GB pen drive. Okay, so let's create this recovery drive. First you need to insert your 16 GB pen drive here. Let me insert it. So now you can see I have inserted my 32 GB pen drive. Before doing this process, you need to back up your this drive if you have any data in that, because this process is going to remove all data from your pen drive. And search for recovery here and click on it. Click on this create a recovery drive. Make sure you have checked this box like backup system files to recover drive, because in future you can install your Windows from this USB drive. Click next. And it really doesn't matter you are using Windows 10 or Windows 8, 7 or Windows 11. Same process for all Windows. Now you will see this message like the drive must be able to hold at least 16 GB. So that's why I'm telling at least 16 GB pen drive you should have. Text and this is my 32 GB pen drive. Click here next. Now you will see this message like everything on the drive will be deleted. Click create, and now this will create a recovery drive, and in future you are going to use it to recover your system. Like anything happen to your system, like system is not booting and you are facing some black screen problem, so this tool is going to provide you all kind of recovery options. Like you can uninstall latest update. If you are a tech guy, you can use the command prompt to recover your Windows. So wait for it and I will show you how you can use this recovery tool. Okay. Okay, so now we have successfully created this recovery drive, and click on this finish, and you can see these three files are here. And let me just boot my system by using this USB drive so you can understand how we can use it. I am in my BIOS. So if you want to boot from the USB, so you need to change some setting here like boot priority. So you can see here I have this SSD and this my pen drive here. So I'm going to select this. So here you need to click on this boot menu, and here you need to select this pen drive here. So now we have boot from this USB, and you will see here this kind of interface like choose your keyboard. So click here United Kingdom. After this you will get many more options like recover from a drive, so reinstall Windows from a recovery drive. So basically this will remove all your files and apps. Basically it means it will recover your Windows as it was whenever you buy your new laptop or PC. And here you will see one option like exit and continue to Windows 11, so you can directly go inside your Windows without doing anything. Here you will see one option like use a device, like if you have recovery CD, DVD, so you can select that. You can see troubleshooting, so we are going to select this because we are going to fix some startup repair and some other problems. Click here, and here you will see some option like a startup repair, command prompt, uninstall updates, and UEFI firmware settings. From UEFI firmware settings you can reset your BIOS settings. Next option is system restore, so this will restore your Windows from your hard drive. So if you have created any restore drive, so you can use it. You can see here system image recovery, so this is a thing like you have created a complete operating system backup, so you can select this system image recovery. Okay, so first is the best option like startup repair. So like your system is not booting, you are seeing some black screen or blue screen thing, so you can select this startup repair. Okay, and this will basically fix your problem. And after that, if it is not fixed, you can select here uninstall update, so it will uninstall latest update which is causing any problem to boot your system. Okay, and if you are pro users like you know some command and all that, so you can open command prompt from here and type some command and fix these problems. So guys, that's how you can use this recovery tool to fix all the problems. And click continue to Windows 11, it will directly boot your operating system. Okay, so no issue with that. We have successfully boot to our system, so basically you can use it if your system is not booting.